Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Play Store purchase history. To start, go to Google Play Store in your mobile device. Then, go to your profile from the right corner of your screen. Then, tap on Manage your Google account. Here, you can see information about your account. Now, again, go back to your profile and select Payments and Subscriptions. Here, go to Budget and History. You'll find your purchase history here. After that, go back and open your Gmail account. Here, open your profile and go to Manage your Google account. Tap on Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down and select Delete a Google service. Here, enter your password and click Next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.